Welcome to July 29th pre-market report on video. Basically, I'm doing that Tuesday night, just after the close. You can see the resistance we talked about yesterday definitely kept the market in check. And I'm just going to zoom a bit more and you'll see the type of action. We had the first day in the last 4 days of basically with some red where basically we closed down a little bit on the Dow. And what I was telling you about having a move where we would go higher than these high and we could probably get a powerful move up again might happen. Looks unlikely. Looking at the 60-minute chart, you can see here we have a consolidation. If we were to break out of these two top, basically, I think this would be a strong sign that we keep going up again. Now the 20 moving average is turning. That's a 60-minute chart, by the way. So let's go back to the QQ. QQQ. I just want you to see we have the same type of formation. The bar basically are a narrow bar. It's in the same range for the last 3 days, and we'll see if we break out of that. Now let's go to the micro cap. We have biocentric energy that did very well. As I mentioned yesterday, if this stock was to make a like continue on this move, it gapped up, came down yesterday, and then again today, which is Tuesday, it just started and rallied basically from the morning up to the end of the day. So as we discussed, it was done on big volume. So we're in this stock, and it was a good ride to for today, and it should keep going again. And VSR negated these two bar and gapped up and went on strong volume. At this place right here, I was talking about accumulating. We did accumulate some in this area on the pullback. Not as much as I would have liked, but the fact it moved up there, I just added more to the position, and we'll see what it will do in the next few days. TTNP. I want to show you something. Obviously, everybody that have been with us for a while know on that day I give a quick alert when the stock moved, and then from there we just watch it go up, and we've been in it actually, but we watch it go up. I want to show you something on a bigger time frame. Right here we have a big resistance. Okay, now if we go over this resistance, this stock could really fly. So I want you to be to keep that in the back of your mind, and we'll see. It might pull back, or it might just go on big volume. We'll see. There's not that much volume today on this pullback. Was basically it gapped up and then it came back down, but rallied again to close at a pretty decent price. Now another stock that we're waiting for, right here we have some support. If we look at this area, so we're waiting to accumulate and get a reversal sign. We haven't got it. It's not there, so not much volume again, but it's one of the stock we keep watching. Now New Energy, Nene, didn't do nothing too interesting today. Not for me anyways. Steep pullback. I think that we need to watch what will happen in the next few days. This already had a very good ride, so it's obvious some people are taking advantage of it and selling, which is fine. I guess they bought cheaper. SPNG, nothing really happened today. Some good volume, but the stock just stayed in this range, and it's probably a sign that we have some selling. Like I discussed, this area is selling, and it's again it's happening. So BL, that's the end of this move, this nice ride that we took from 3 cents. If you were not out progressively as we have been, definitely today when it broke that, you had to be out. And just to see a move like this where you open, you gap up, and then you go back up, if you come back under this, the open price, you need to get out, because this is a big sign of a top. Now this other one had a good move today, good volume. The problem I have with this is it's not very how can I say that, consistent in terms of volume. Like I said right here, it just came. So came down very low volume compared to the increase, but still this stock keeps going. But we're not in it right now. BAC. I want to show you something. A lot of the banking stock are looking the same. If you look at XLF, it looks like this could support the market and it could be very good. We have something looking very bullish when you look at these charts. I want you to look at the BAC with this triangle. If a move happens, that will be one of the stock that should keep going up. We'll see if it gets out of this range. So that's it for today. I hope you'll have a good trading day on Wednesday, and I'll see you back on for Thursday morning. Thanks a lot and have a good day.